Congrats! You've decided to be a Wander local. In this video, we're going to show you how you can sign up, create an account, so you can get started entering your itineraries. In our next video, we'll describe that. So let's get started. First, you want to go to the home page and then click up here in the right-hand corner to register. And there's two ways you can register as a customer, but for this video, we're registering as a local. So you want to click the country that you're from, put in your first, last name that will be displayed, a short version of your name that will also be used on the public site, a bio that will be used to describe you under our locals page. So why you like to wander, why you're an expert local on the place that you're writing about, things that you like to do in your spare time that will attract people to your bio and to your itineraries. A profile picture, and then this information here is for login purposes. So the email that you want to use, a username, password, and then down here are social networks that will also be displayed publicly under your profile so that customers can follow you on Instagram or Facebook or etc. And then you click on that you are not a robot, you are a true person, and sign up. And then that's it. Once you've signed up, you'll see a local profile that we'll show you in the next video and how to start to enter itineraries.